Welcome to our progress report video. Here we'll be addressing our pipelines and current progress of our final project. Starting with question generating system, we plan to parse the text first into sentences, then implement pause tagging and NER on the tokens to parse the sentences into syntactic parse trees. We're going to generate two types of questions, binary questions and WH questions. To generate binary questions, we'll invert positions of the subject and auxiliary verb. We will look for specific syntactic structures as well as using NER taggers to generate WH questions. As for the question answering system, we will start by separating the text into sentences, tagging and parsing the sentences in a similar fashion as what we do in the question generating system. We will identify question types by key labels such as auxiliary verbs and WH words. We will then rewrite the questions into predicate forms. Specifically, we will reverse the order of the subject and auxiliary verb and remove the WH word for WH type questions. By calculating the FIDF and cosine similarity, we will produce a weighted matrix of the text, which will be compared to the question query to identify the best matching sentence in the text. To answer binary questions, we need to check if the subject, verb, and the rest of a verb phrase are all presented in the best matching sentence. The answer will be yes if all those components are presented, and no otherwise. Currently, we have questions generated from the A1.text in the first dataset provided using Spacie, and here are some sample questions. In our pipeline, we first need to structuralize each sentence in the input by identifying the NP and VP. However, since the dependency parser of Spacie did not work so well, we ended up only matching for verbs whose lemma is be. We will switch to use the context-free grammar parser in the NLTK library in the future. We will also implement co-reference and synonym replacement to generate questions with more variety. Since we did not remove the clause in the original sentences, the questions generated are much longer than necessary. This can also be resolved using the NLTK parser. And that ends our report video. Thanks for watching.